So I have had a bunch of clients that have workout equipment in their basement and they just have no idea what to do with it. It's either like in the way, they don't let the kids in the basement because they don't want them using the workout equipment, they don't have a specialized room for it, it's just kind of all a mumble jumble mess. If that sounds like you, well, I got some tips, okay? We're gonna totally get your workout equipment organized. We are focusing on the basement in this video. Hi, my name's Jessica and I am the Organized Mama. I share organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials for families just like you. I have partnered with Bellicon USA. They make rebounders, aka mini trampolines, and they have a ton of exercises where you get to jump on a trampoline. Like, what? I can totally do that exercise. The first thing you need to do is find a designated space to store your stuff. Now, a designated space doesn't mean you need, a total room, okay? Like, you can see our basement, we don't really have space for things to like be hidden. So I have to get creative. I do this with clients as well. Sometimes in basements we have closets that we can use to store workout equipment and then put like a lock on the top of the door so that the kiddos don't play in it. For an open space basement like this, I would recommend grouping your workout equipment together. The smaller pieces, try and store in like the laundry room, in a storage closet like around the corner. That way your kids aren't going and playing with all of the things. One easy thing that you can do with yoga mats is put them in a basket and then you can just store them. Like, I don't care if kids play with the yoga mats. The purple one is my daughter's, the blue one is my son's, and the gray one is mine. So I don't really care if they play with these. So these are something that I put out on a shelf just because it's the easiest spot for them to go and I don't mind if they use them. Other items like the roller or the ball or any other like weights or anything like that, those I do store in a space that is locked. Now, it's not always convenient for when you want to work out, but it's a safety thing. Now, one thing I have done with some clients is we've stored it all in their main area, and then when they have friends over, they just know to stick it all in their storage room, and like the kids help and everything. So that's another thing that you can totally think of when storing workout equipment in your basement when it is like an open space and you don't have a gym or designated area for working out. I found that when it comes to storing any big piece of workout equipment, it is best to find ways that it can store quickly. So for the Bellicon, it's really easy. You pull out and you push it down. That's how, and then you do that with all of them. And it can just like roll, behind the couch, which is probably where this is gonna go. Or it can go behind a door. I can easily store it in a closet because now it's flat. So, want to act like a kid again? Head to the Bellicon YouTube channel and you can see all sorts of fun workouts you can do on their rebounder. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. New videos every Wednesday. Bye!